Kekurtong jong All India Trinamool Congress AITC na North Shillong kong Elgiva G Rinja kalabut jingkeli ya ke jing sngap jarjar ke Bharatiya Janata Party habaya treilang wat ki sengsan partai ki bala lute ya ke Jylla mentala snem. Kani ke jingbo jingkeli na ke kong Elgiva ka long hadian ke jing keno menteri kampo yeng ke sarkar India u Amit Shah ba ke Jylla Meghalaya ke Jylla ka babam saptam ha India. Kalau ongru, bahkan di jingkran Amit Shah kari tangban mentoy sanhima haka khalip mat ka bakhaddu.
Good afternoon. My name is Elgiva, candidate from 17 North Shillong constituency. Hearing the statement, the remarks made by the Honorable Home Minister of our country, it's very sad to see him campaigning in Tura with his headline stating that Meghalaya is the most corrupt state in the country. Well, I should question the Home Minister himself. Wasn't the BJP a part of the MDA coalition in the year 2018 till the very day? We have seen that when the MDA government was formed, it was under the leadership of Himanta Biswas, Assam Chief Minister, that a flag of BJP was seen floating in around our lovely state. It was through them that the MDA government came into power, that is the BJP. So weren't they part and parcel of forming this government? Aren't the BJP a part of all the scams that is happening in the country as well as our state? When we look back, when they talk about the power department, it was the hands of the BJP, the NPP and the UDP and its partners in the MDA government who had sold our rights, who had sold our state in the hands and at the mercy. To hear that, because they've seen the 5 years how our state has been destroyed by the BJP, and it is high time that we ask the BJP government if they have the guts. Rate your own partners who are in the MDA government. Capture the leaders, capture the politicians who are part and parcel. Do they have the guts to do that? Just because elections are around the corner, they try to speak their empty jumla out here. And I would say, if you have the guts, come out on the street and say that you did not do any corruption in Meghalaya. Where is the money of Meghalaya? The money of Meghalaya went to all the leaders sitting in the central leadership of Amit Shah and his group. Let me tell you, we as principal opposition in the state, the Trinamool Congress, will not allow any other political party. We will fight against the divisive force and we will ensure that BJP will get 0 digit on the verdict of second March. Thank you.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27 February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Kajingkular kap TMC na kabenta ka Meghalaya. Kajing pintik na ya kalaway bapranay. An ay jing arap khat ara jarting ka snem shaman na kilong yeng jong ki khinna ki papuli ki school sarkar. Na markata ka TMC kan ay shilak tali ki laptop shabaro ki higher secondary bar ki khinna puli college ban krishan ya ka puli puthi ka baminta.
Hakane ka ap nyaw terek urempang Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli ki sentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.